medical malpractice is the third leading cause of death in America. It's really become an epidemic in our country. At Malone Law, we help those who have been severely injured or the family members of those that have lost loved ones through carelessness. People come to me in their worst moments, and it's my goal to provide them with hope in a hopeless situation. We have access and have worked with some of the finest rehabilitation centers in the country. One of those centers is right here in Atlanta called the Shepherd Brain and Spinal Center.
Shepherd Center is the world's largest independent rehabilitation hospital. I met Adam through his incredibly wonderful father, Tommy Malone. Tommy and Adam both are very much involved with safety and also injury prevention. They always go way above and beyond. And because of their interest and because of their support, the injury prevention program at Shepherd exists and is doing extremely well.
My dad is a legal pioneer in this area of law. He's also my role model and my hero. He began his career by representing those who really couldn't get a fair trial in our society. And I was able to see the difference that his work was making in the quality of life of other people. And I was inspired by that, and I knew then that I was meant to do the same thing. What I think sets Malone Law apart is our team of dedicated and highly experienced legal and medical professionals. Because of our vast experience, we have access to some of the nation's leading consultants and medical experts in every specialty of medicine.
Our daughter Stephanie was in pre-production on a TV show, and she started complaining of headaches, and then she came out of her office saying that something was wrong, and she collapsed. When Stephanie was taken back for surgery, she looked up at me and said, "Dad, I'm scared." That was the last thing she said to us. She had evidently had an aneurysm. It took them several hours before they actually initiated any kind of corrective procedure.
They had inserted a drain in her head. They saw that blood was appearing, which indicates something was wrong. They continued what they were doing rather than stopping. And so they put the drain in her head, and that caused her to bleed. So by the time they stopped and got her ready for surgery, she was in terrible condition.
Malone Law took so much off of us that we could concentrate on the well-being and the care of our daughter Stephanie.
Working with them, we felt like we got the answers we needed. That burden was off of our shoulders. It was like we had an ally.
The reason why I do this every day and will continue to do it for all of my days remaining is because there is no greater reward than making a meaningful difference in the life of another person.